My name is Sarka. I come from the Czech Republic. I came to Canada 4 years ago. My passion was just to travel and climb mountains and like see the world and enjoy the life and go for adventures. So Canada right now is my 52nd country that I've visited. Been happy here because the scenery and wherever you go, it's just like, it feels like in a fairy tale. I found BC Helicopters. I kind of like the family style. It's a small company. We flew into the mountains, we landed on the glaciers, we explored remote lakes, and I just got so stoked. And I'm like, yeah, this is exactly what I want to do. You know, every single day I come from my flight and I say, wow, I feel I'm alive. This is like what I wanted to do, and nothing beats it. Yeah. I would like to get more into like heli skiing and advertising and filming and more into sports. Yeah, I'm ready to work hard and bring my way up and do my best to become a really nice commercial pilot. Flying's been my long-term dream, and I will never ever regret that.